The Ringke Fusion X case. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. These are the Ringke Fusion X cases. These are available for the various iPhone X models and iPhone 7 and 8. We will be taking a look at the iPhone X version. They come in two colors and provide rugged protection. This was sent out for me to review, and as always, I provide my honest and unbiased opinions in my reviews. I have included the link in the description below for the products. If you are new to my channel or have been here before, thanks for taking the time to watch. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on future videos, and give it a thumbs up as well. So let's take a look. Inside you get a card with instructions to remove the protective film on both sides before installing, along with a thank you card. This comes in two colors, black and lilac purple. And the packaging is very simple and eco-friendly. Just rip open the top to unwrap. The case is made of a clear polycarbonate back and a TPU edge all around, and it's very flexible. You can see the buttons are covered and the cutouts on the bottom for the speakers and charging port. The corners have some good thick protection, and you can see the edge is pretty flexible. The camera cutout has a raised lip, so that should provide some protection. Installation is pretty quick and easy. The phone just slides in with little effort. And as you can see, the case looks very sleek and it doesn't add bulk to the phone. You can see the raised bezel, so it provides some decent protection on the front. And it has a nice grip and the buttons are responsive. I really like the look and feel of this. And here is the Lilac Purple version. Everything is the same, buttons are covered, and the cutouts on the bottom. Again, installation is very easy. And there you have it. This looks very good and provides a nice accent to the phone. The Fusion X cases by Ringke. I really like the simplicity of these cases. It provides good protection without adding bulk to your phone. It has a good amount of grip and it won't slip out of your hands. The only thing I would add is a screen protector, just to give it that extra protection on the front. Other than that, these are very inexpensive and a good option for those that are looking to add a case to their devices. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care everyone.